Hello, I hope you're having a nice day. Bit of an unusual place for a vlog. I'm going to pop these on because it's so bright. But I'm here in Tuscany on my summer holiday and I thought I would put on our newest dress for you to do our vlog all about the Oona dress, which is what I'm wearing. So I'll just chat and then we'll pop in some photos and things. So the Oona dress is the superest, simplest, wonderful summer dress in that you can make it out of cotton. There are no zips. Really easy to sew. She has an elasticated waist. She basically is straight, and we see she's a straight dress. She's got a little slit to make it easy for you to walk in. But yeah, she's super simple, perfect for beginners. We really do recommend beginners making this. The way that it's constructed is you've got a facing that goes round the neckline like that. Then you've just got one front piece, one back piece. So really easy, and then slits at the sides to help with walking. So this is in a cotton. This is a lightweight cotton. We may have sold out of this, but we will have something similar if we have. So worth checking out all the fabrics that we've got. This really is the opportunity to get those beautiful cotton fabrics that you've got in your stash, or to treat yourself to something lovely, because it will really suit a bold print because it's not interrupted by lots of kind of panels and seams and things. It's super simple. So a bit like with the shift dress, it's a really good one to wear a bolder print with. So this is a lightweight cotton, but you can also make it out of a cotton lawn, and the version that Rosie wore was in linen visco, so really nice easy fabrics to use for this one. It doesn't use loads of fabric because it's a straight dress, so that's also another thumbs up for Oona. And yeah, she obviously comes in our extended size range, size 6 to size 30. What else do I need to say? I've said that she's a beginner level. Yep, she's definitely nice and easy. I know I'm a fast sewer, but I made this in an hour and a half. So that doesn't include cutting out time, but that is how easy she is to sew. She really is fabulous and quick. We will be doing a sew along, so I'll be sewing this with you guys at some point. If you want to tune in, or if you can't tune in live, it will just appear on the channel so you can watch it at another time. Now, I am wearing this as a day dress, but I really think it's lovely in the evening as well. I'm off to go and explore Siena in this dress today, but I also would wear it in the evenings, and I will do a styling video to kind of give you some inspiration of how you can wear Oona. Make sure that if you do share it on Instagram, then do please use the hashtag #SOIOonadress, because that means other people can have a look and see what you're making and be inspired by your makes as well. I'm sure there'll be already some up there because our wonderful pattern insiders have made them, so you can see some other versions as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoy making Oona. We are very happy about her just because she's just so easy to sew, and I think it's really nice to have a quick easy sew pattern in the mix. So look forward to seeing all of your versions, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.